Alright, sir. Okay. I made this little like beta lighting testing. Pretty nice. Oh, and if you wonder if I made this first-person controller, no, I didn't. I'm too lazy for that. Lol. I think if I remember, I'll leave not remember. I can easily link it. But if I remember to leave the link, yep, the link's gonna be there to whoever made it. But yeah, just little bait lighting. Put some effects on this. I kind of finished this up today. I did the bait lighting part yesterday, and I just put some more effects and sound effects today. It's crazy to actually see the actual future, the future game. This is what game could be. I mean, I know it's not AAA, but this is pretty nice, right? So, yeah, it's pretty cool. And I don't know what I'm going to publish now, but I just wanted to show you guys this. Also, make sure to check out my Madness Combat Animations channel. Even if I might not post there as much as I post on this channel, or reverse, it's still pretty nice to just check out some animations there. I just make them in Adobe Flash. And I will be paying attention a tiny bit more to that, but I haven't done Madness Combat Animation in a few days. But I just wanted to post this video. Oh, and also, while I'm at, I might as well just put an advert. So you made it all the way here. Yay. Make sure to go play FLATLANDS. Link in the description. Show us your creations via forms. So, yeah. Alright, everyone. Peace out. Have an amazing day. And I'll see you in my next live stream or video.